Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I post videos once in a year. Am I proud of it? Not sure. So, anyways, coming back to the point, we recently had like a Gruha Pravesh ceremony along with Satyanarayana Puja, Homam and Shiv Parvati Kalyanam. And while I was there, I happened to take random videos, and when I compiled it, it became like a good 2 minute long video. And since it's like a good piece of content, I thought of posting it on YouTube, and that is why you and I are here. So, yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I really hope you enjoy this.
पवन जय स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र पवन जय स्तुति पात्र पावन चरित्र रवि सोमवर नेत्र रमणीय गात्र सीता कल्याण वैभोगमे रामा कल्याण वैभोगमे सर्वलोकाधार समरैकवीर गर्वमानसदूर कनकावधीर